So my friends, welcome you back again our another video. Friends, today we are going to show you how to you will claim your 25% mining coin. So please follow this step. How to you will collect your coin 25%. Open your Satoshi mining app and click on how to claim your core airdrop. You can see here the TCA TCB. Thereafter below option you can check there how to claim your core airdrop. Just click there. You will get your airdrop announcement on February 8th. The first airdrop of core token will be enabled. This is details guide on how to claim your airdrop both for claiming view browser and mobile. So we will use here through our mobile system like using MetaMask wallet and how to claim it. You can try also through browser. There are instruction 1 minute. Once you will check, you can see here I have opened already my MetaMask wallet. Also here you will get your guide. You can see here how to claim your airdrop on February 8th. First airdrop of core token will be enabled. This is a detailed guide on how to claim your airdrop both for claiming view browser and mobile. Notice you have to read this carefully and you have to follow this step one by one, but here you can check there browser section. Through this method you can try, otherwise there have mobile method. 1 minute. Mobile method you can see here. Open your MetaMask app. Now we are going to show you through this mobile method. 1 minute. Just I am guiding you here. Just check one by one. First what you have to do, they have already mentioned, open your MetaMask app and make sure you are connected to the core mainnet. So let's go. We have already opened our MetaMask wallet and we have already connected our core mainnet wallet. We have already connected our core mainnet wallet. Let's go the next step. After you open, and what you have to do next, go to the browser within the MetaMask app and go to coredao homepage. So just you have to copy this link and paste your MetaMask wallet. I have already opened. After you open this website, you will get like this same interface. Let's follow this step. Thereafter what you have to do, you can see here they have already mentioned, you have to go browser section, and once you are on the coredao homepage, choose the airdrop option on the top right. You can see here they have already mentioned 1 minute MetaMask wallet. You can see the right section, airdrop section, they are already. Thereafter what you have to do next, you have to choose your country of permanent residence. Once you will click the airdrop section, thereafter you will get your country name. You have to confirm it. Okay, just confirm it first. Let's go for the next step. The website will automatically select a country connected to your IP. If it shows the correct country, please confirm with the confirm button. If the automatically detected country is not your country of residence, please use the drop down next to the country display to see the whole list of country and choose your country of residence. If you not get the list on your when you will open, then you have to choose the country and confirm it. After choosing the correct country, you will be direct transferred to the next step. Once it shows the correct country, please confirm with the confirm button. Let's go next step. Choose the display option, the MetaMask wallet. Once you select the MetaMask option, the connect button is enabled. You can see here MetaMask wallet. We are here same. 1 minute. Now what you have to do, we have to click on connect button. 1 minute. Choose the display option, the MetaMask. Once you select the MetaMask option, connect button is enabled. What you have to do now, thereafter we have to click connect button. 1 minute. Confirm. MetaMask connect button. Yes, you have to click the MetaMask, you have to touch there, then you have to click connect button. Next you will get like this an interface. You can see here confirm connecting to the site by pressing to connect button. After that you should jump directly to the view to the vesting schedule. 1 minute. You have to click connect. Thereafter you can see here and you will get your mainnet wallet. Just click on connect button. 1 minute. You can see here I can claim my coin. Here how much I have on my wallet, it's showing already. Thereafter what you have to do, 1 minute, please make sure that the wallet address display is the same that you linked in your Satoshi app account. When you will confirm it before, please check it will be same your MetaMask wallet, mainnet wallet. You will see your total amount of core as well as the amount that is visible on your claim now. Click the claim button to proceed. Every user will get up to 0.1 core sent to their wallet. Add of the enable of the airdrop cover the gas fees. So what you have to do, you have to claim option. 1 minute. Just click on claim button, confirming. Thereafter you have to click here confirm button. One minute, transaction submit, waiting for confirmation. You have to wait here, don't be hurry until you get a successful message about your transaction. You can see a transaction complete. 1 minute, let's go. Every user will get up to 0.1 core sent to their wallet. Please note that the network could be congested during the time you claim your token. This most likely will be due to the fact that a high number of users are trying to claim the airdrop at the same time. Please consider one of the two below option. If you want to your claim transaction to be confirmed sooner, you might raise your gas price. If you want to avoid high gas fees, try to claim your airdrop at least busy time. So when you will click on confirm button, you will need patience because there are a lot of people may try. That time if you want to be hurry, then you have to pay your extra fees. So I will request you just patiently try. You can see here, if you want your claim transaction to be confirmed sooner, you might raise your gas price. You have understand. If you want to claim it firstly, then you have to pay the gas fees. If you want to avoid high gas fees, try claim your airdrop at a less busy time. Means when there will be free server, you have to try that time. So 1 minute. There is also the option of choosing different RPC URL as already mentioned in the beginning. The available ones, you are no need to do anything change there. Once you click the confirm, you will see claim process on the bottom screen. Transaction submit, you can see here I have already mentioned transaction submit. Disclaimer, the trans 1 minute. Now I think it was successfully. 1 minute. Yeah, we have received already. You can check here. You have to open your wallet and check here. Here already showing. You will get your mainnet wallet info and you can get here your core balance. You can see here smart contract interaction already received. They are showing time only, time and date. So how to will claim your 25% coin? You have to watch this video, and the link will available on Telegram channel. Please check it. Next we will upload our another video how to delegate your coin. and earn rewards from there. Please be patient, my friend, and don't be hurry. Many people they are maybe feelings pain for the low price. After your Satoshi mining application open, go to the coin section and click on new section. Do not worry for this price, okay my friend. So if you know 2009 when Bitcoin was launched, it was very low price, but 2 and 3 years where it was reached already, but the core will reached more soon a good price. Do not worry for price, and don't forget like subscribe our channel. Thank you friend, have a great day.